Vieira from Vieira Coins. Today gonna teach you the fast way how to make a QR code for your coin page or your coin website. So that way you can, the customer easily can have access to your page or to website and might increase the selling of your coin. Okay, so I take for example here my website. So on the computer you click on the right side of the mouse and scroll down. When you go all the way down, that's from the Windows, okay? Apple might be different. When you go down, you click on create a QR code for this page. So automatic right here, the QR code already made up by the Google, right? And you hit download. When you go down here, once the download is completed, you open up, click on the right mouse, you copy, go to the words, and you come here and paste. Okay, right here is good thing, you can make any size of the sign. You can make it extremely small to put your business card, or you can make a half page any size you want. Okay, and of course you can type any information you wanna. I close in here, let me go back. You can type any information you want, like for example, you go here, Vieira Coins website, and you put the QR code. That's really simple and really useful. Okay, that's all I have for today, and that might help you to increase your sales. And you can use for your coin shop, your coin page, coin website, or anything you want. Okay, choose for the steps and have a good day. Thank you.